Good evening. This is a quick video on how you can easily fund your account. So the first thing, you go to Zinox.io, the back office, then you log into your account. So one thing we need to agree is that an upline can fund for the downline and the downline can fund for the upline. That is very clear. An upline can fund for the downline and a downline can fund for an upline. Number two, this can be this can be an upline's account or a downline's account or an investor account. So this back office is very friendly, is very user friendly, especially for those who are building a networking. Once you log in, you will see these various wallets here: my package, total referral, downline, total business. They're very simple wallets that are explaining. They're more or less self-explanatory. So for this video specifically, we're going to focus on the buy package, and then we'll be doing more videos on the other things as we wait for the company official videos to be out in a few days' time. So you come here and say buy package. You come down and say buy package, and then you can put anyone's ID. So this, once you say buy package, it's written activate by online. Therefore, what you need to do, ladies and gentlemen, you need to put the user ID of the person you are funding. Remember, everybody, once you register an account, you are given a user ID, or a user ID is generated for you. So for example, I can say, for example, of a user ID, I can put any user ID. I can say even this one, which is 544265, and then I put the user ID. And then once I put the user ID, it's going to generate the name automatically. So you are not going to put the name. So if someone texts you the user ID, you just put the user ID, and then the name will come. And then select mode. This is the most important. We have three ways to fund. You can use funds, commission, or BTC. And I'll briefly explain what is the difference of the three. So I want first to show you the BTC one. The BTC one, this is where you automatically buy the package. This is the one that you automatically buy the package. So once I say select mode, so I came to buy package, I put the user ID, it automatically showed me the name. And then when I come for the mode, I have three options: funds, commission, and BTC. So for this one, we use the BTC. Then it tells me select package. Let's say I'm putting $100 package. So this is what will pop up, that this is the user ID, this is the name, this is the bit. I'm using the third option, which is the BTC, and the package is $100. So what does it tell me? You need to pay $100. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is an automatic way of buying your package. Therefore, if I send the Bitcoins worth $100 to this back office, this user ID will be activated with $100. So once you do that, all I need to do is just to click submit, and then I'll be redirected to another window. Whereby I will see a QR code here, and I will see an address here. So if I have the Bitcoins in my blockchain wallet or Coinbase or Binance, wherever I have the Bitcoins with me, Trust Wallet, wherever, I just need to scan this QR code, and it will automatically pick the fraction. You can see the fraction here is 0.001844876. So once I scan, it will automatically pick the fraction, and I'll just send. If I don't have the Bitcoins with me, what you need to do is to copy this address. You say copy manually, you say okay, or you can add press here and click copy again, and then send to the person who has the Bitcoins. Now, this is the most important part. You need to send exact fraction of Bitcoins, and this does not include the fee. So what I want to insist here is that if you're using, for example, the Binance, the Binance have a fee, and their standard fee, it is 0.0005. That is the standard fee of Binance, 0.0005. Therefore, you need to know that you have to send more Bitcoins, because this one is what, when you go to Binance and you put the Bitcoin, it will only tell you the fee, and then there down, it will tell you you will receive. You will receive. Therefore, when you are sending the Bitcoins here, you need to focus on you will receive. meaning what I will receive should be 0.00184876, or rather, this is the amount of the Bitcoin fraction the company expects to receive from you. Therefore, it's written very well, does not include transaction fee in this amount, does not include transaction fee in this amount. Therefore, it's your responsibility to make sure that the Bitcoins you are sending, this is the net balance, the net minus the transaction fee. Surprisingly, I found blockchain wallet have really reduced their fee. It used to be very expensive. Right now, you will be charged about $2 to $3 using blockchain wallet. But Binance is crazy. Binance is around $28 the fee. So you need to know this. I don't know about Coinbase and Trust Wallet, but you just need to be very careful on the fee, because if you don't incorporate the fee, then that package will not automatically die and it will be too much complication. So please only use Bitcoin. One, if you are conversant with the option of Bitcoin. Two, if you know how to source the Bitcoins on your own, and you know how to scan and to send, and you know that this is the net balance, or this is the final figure that the company should receive. So if you go to your Binance and put 0.00184876, trust you me, the company will not receive 0.00184876 because Binance charges some fee. So what you need to do, I am repeating, I know this and I will keep repeating, what you need to put is to make sure you will receive, or the net amount that is sent minus the wallet fee, it is 0.00184876. So that one makes a lot of sense and that you've understood. So that is how you can easily buy or fund using Bitcoin. And once you fund using Bitcoin, then that package will automatically be purchased, and you'll go to my package and you are going to see that it has been bought. I would also discourage people from sending excess. Just send the exact amount, okay? And that amount is blocked for about 7 minutes. So the Bitcoin, even if the rate changes within 7 minutes, you are still secured. But I do not want you to buy the Bitcoin or go there to buy if you don't have the Bitcoins with you, or you've not confirmed that the person you are buying from already has the Bitcoin. So before you go there and say you want to buy a package, please ensure the Bitcoins are in place. A second way of funding, which is much easier, and which is honestly is the one that we are using, most of us, or we are advocating for those who are not very conversant with Bitcoin. You can come here again, put the user ID, the name will automatically pop up. You come to this one called funds. So funds means you'll have scanned the Bitcoins prior, and the Bitcoins will come to your fund wallet as e-money. The Bitcoins will come to your dashboard as e-money. Now, for the leaders, for the uplines, this is the best, because some people or some of our investors may not be so conversant with the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency and all these jargons. So what we do, we can pre-buy the Bitcoins, we can fund our accounts, we can send the Bitcoins in our back offices using the funds. And then when we have a funding, or whenever our team have a funding, then we can transfer for them. Remember, this one is free of charge. So funding here, it is once you load your Bitcoins and then they come in your fund wallet, you can transfer to other members free of charge. Or alternatively, you can fund for your downlines. Okay, you can fund for them in your own back office. So this business, you don't need to ask for your downlines, their password, their user. No, all you need is them to just give you your user ID, and from the comfort of your back office, you'll be able to fund very easily. So you come here and just choose the funds, and then you come here and select the package, whichever package you want. Now, how do you load money in your fund wallet? Very good. So you come to wallet, and then you say fund request. You come to wallet, and then you say fund request. And then you come here and say Bitcoin. You choose the mode as Bitcoin, and then you click inside. Just click once. When you click once, you see the BTC address and the QR code will come. And then let's say I want to load 100. So what will I do? I will copy this address. I will copy it and then send to the person who is sending the Bitcoin. And once I copy it, the person will send me the BTC in my fund wallet. Alternatively, once he sends, I need to come here and copy the transaction ID. Now, the reason we are saying this is mostly for leaders or those people who are conversant with cryptocurrency is because you must and you need to put these two things. You need to put the amount. Some people are not putting the amount. And number two, you need to put the hash ID. The hash ID, if you're using the blockchain wallet, is very easy to get. You go to transactions, you click on it, and then it will redirect you to the blockchain or what they call TXID, transaction ID or hash ID, and then you copy it. Okay, there's like a window you copy. If you're using Binance, you go to withdraw history, and then you're going to scroll down, you'll see the TXID. So that is very important. You have to come here and copy it and copy it. If you're using local Bitcoins, you still need to go to transaction and withdraw history, and then you copy it. Now, for those people who don't understand what is this transaction ID or hash ID, don't worry, talk to your upline, talk to your leader, talk to any admin that you are comfortable with in our WhatsApp groups, and they're going to guide you. So once you do that, second, remember guys, you need to put the amount, you have to type the amount, you need to scan out the Bitcoins, or copy this address and say the Bitcoins worth $100. And then very importantly, you have to come and put the transaction ID or the hash ID or the transaction number, and then you click submit. Once you do that, when you scroll down, you will see your payment here, fund request list. So you must put priority fee. If you put priority fee, within 2-3 minutes, it will have hit your fund wallet. If you've not put priority fee, you will see it here under status pending. You will come here and scroll down, you will see under pending. Maybe if you not put priority fee, it can take 1 hour or 2 hours to reflect. But if you put priority fee, which is a very negligible difference, then within 2-3 minutes, it will reflect. Alternatively, once it reflects, you can come here to dashboard. I don't know if some of you have noticed it, but once you come to dashboard, you scroll down, you will see available fund. So in this case, it's still 0 because I've not sent any fund in this specific user ID. But once you send the Bitcoins, once you fund the Bitcoins and you put priority fee, within a minute or two, you come to dashboard. This part written available fund, you are going to find it there. So if I've said $100 worth of Bitcoins, it will come to available fund. And therefore, I can come to buy package. I can come to buy package, and then I can come put the user ID, very smooth, and then I can put the mode as funds now. And once I click fund, it will tell me net balance here, fund net balance. And then I'll just come here and I'm just going to select the package. For example, it's $100. And then I will automatically buy the package. Okay, the package will automatically be bought, and I'll just click submit. So this is a very, very, very easy way to fund. And it's a very easy way for the leaders to support the downlines and the team to grow by us taking the initiative of buying the Bitcoins, putting in our fund wallet, and then transferring to our downlines who need them, or activating directly from our back office. So if I have put the dollars, what do? I come to wallet, and then I say fund transfer. So if I want to transfer the Bitcoins, remember once you come to wallet, fund transfer, you have admin fund transfer or commission income transfer. So if I've loaded the $100 Bitcoins, it has come to my fund wallet, then I can say admin fund transfer, and I can transfer to someone else who needs them by just putting the amount, for example, that 100, and then just putting any ID, for example, any ID that maybe it's in my head, I can put, and then I'll just click transfer. So any ID, you can come here, put any ID. I don't know if I can remember one of it, but anyway, there are many IDs. You just come there, put the ID directly, and then you are going to be able to send. Then you are going to send what? You are going to send the Bitcoins to that person, and it is free of charge. So once you load the Bitcoins in your fund wallet, you can either activate for your people directly by just going to activation and putting their user ID, or you can come to wallet, and then you can say fund transfer, then you can say admin fund transfer, and then you can transfer those dollars. Now they will be dollars, yeah? They are Bitcoins. But they will be sent like e-money. They are Bitcoins, but they will be sent like e-money. So you just come and transfer. For example, if you want to send to me or to someone else, you just say transfer, and it will go just like that. And that is instant with zero fee. That is instant with zero fee. And then the final way of activating the package is, of course, you come here and say buy package, and then you use the commission. You use the commission. You come here, let's say you put a user ID here, for example, you can mode now use the commission, and then you choose, for example, $100, and then you activate. Now, how do you get this commission? Commission is from your direct bonus, your binary bonus, your matching level income bonus. And therefore, before you come to leaders or to upline, please collect all the commissions of your team. It's very easy for them to transfer for you. You just come here and say fund wallet or transfer wallet. And then you come here and just say user to user commission transfer, user to user commission transfer. And then you can just put the user ID of the person you want to transfer to. And then you just tell you the name of the person. And then you are going to, is it like that? And then you just go say, maybe I want to transfer 50. Remember, any charge, any amount you put, you are charged 2% transfer fee, and then you just say transfer. So you can transfer commission among members, what we call member to member, by just clicking user to user commission transfer or the default, the fund wallet. You can just click it, the transfer wallet, sorry, and then you can transfer. You can also come here and say wallet, then you say fund transfer, wallet, fund transfer, and then you choose commission income transfer because you've earned the commission. And remember, all commissions come to one wallet, whether it's binary, direct matching, or come to one wallet written commission wallet. So all commission come into one wallet called commission wallet, which you can come to wallet, fund transfer, and then you choose commission wallet. And remember, all our commissions are paid instantly. Direct commission, binary commission, and matching level income, they're all paid instantly. Therefore, once you activate an account, you can transfer the commissions in the commission wallet among yourselves or among your upline, and then the upline can activate using the commission option. Hope that one is very well understood. Now, just to say something, if you already have an existing package, ladies and gentlemen, you need to come to activation, and then you need to say upgrade. So if you already have an active package like this one, you'll only see the option upgrade. You don't see an option activate. Why? Because already this account has a $50 or is it $100 package. This is just a demo account I've created for just a demo only, okay? So for example, this account has a $50 package. Therefore, if you come to activation, you can only do what? Upgrade. Why? Because it already have an existing package. So ladies and gentlemen, when you have already an existing, package, when you come to activation, you can only upgrade. Upgrade means you are allowed to buy another package of equivalent, whichever you want, 25, 50, 100 to 550, 1,000, whatever. So in our business, when you want to upgrade, it basically means buying another package. The beauty is under my package, it will be integrated or it will be consolidated. And here my package is going to change. For example, if I buy a package of $25, my package will write 25, it will write $75. So if I buy a package of $25, my package will write $75. It will write $75. So if I come and buy another of 50, it will write $125. So never worry, but if you click my package, it will tell you all the packages and the days you bought, and it will also tell you the remaining ROI days. So this package was bought on 2nd of November, just when the activation started. And you see it has already earned 20 days, but 170 days, it was for 170 days, but I've already, I'm remaining with 150 days. Remember, we started this month to do the activations. So this one was done on 2nd of November. I needed 170 working days, and I'm remaining with 150 working days. And every day I receive an ROI amount of 0.5. So even if I come here and buy 150, 1,000, $10,000, $5,000, they will all be displayed here. And the expiry date or the expiry tenor or the number of expiry will keep changing, because this one was bought on 2nd November. So in 1st of December, if I buy another package, that package will have another 170 days. So the remaining ROI days will be reducing as per the day you bought your package. Hope that is crystal clear. And as I conclude, I just want to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you buy your package. Very easy: Bitcoin, funds, or commissions. And finally, for those who are doing their withdrawals, I can just quickly mention, instead of having 2 separate videos, I can quickly mention, if you want to do your withdrawals, you must come to my profile, and then you need to come to payment details. So you go to profile, payment details, profile, payment details, and then you paste your BTC address. For instance, that one is there. You paste your BTC address. Once you do that, on Friday, we've advised our team, we'll be doing our withdrawals on Friday. Kindly remember, our withdrawals are weekly. Zinox withdrawals are weekly. So we do our withdrawals once a week. That is on Friday. And then they are processed on Monday, 2 p.m. UK time. That is like 4 p.m. Kenyan time. So you go to my profile, you put your bit, you go my profile, you go to payment details, you paste your Bitcoin address. And remember, once you do, this one cannot be changed before in future. So you need to be very careful to avoid confusion and people saying people are taking their Bitcoins or their money. So please go to my profile, payment details, and ensure the BTC address you put there, it is yours and you have access to it. Preferably, you can use Binance or local Bitcoins or Paxful or those platforms where you can easily cash out your Bitcoins to Kenya shilling or to Rand or to whatever currency you are using. Now, once you do profile, you come to payment details and you paste, you click submit, you paste your address. Remember, there are more withdrawal options that will be coming up once the company launch fully. But for now, we have Bitcoin. More and more options will be coming. So once you come to profile and then you say payment details, then you come here to withdraw and then you just say withdraw. Very, very smooth, very, very easy. Then wallet type, remember you can withdraw from your commission wallet or from your ROI wallet. You can withdraw from your commission wallet or from your ROI wallet. So if you are doing from your ROI wallet, here it already has the 10, then you can come and put the amount 10, for example, and then you come and say payment method, BTC address. So once you come to withdraw, all you need to do is to say, is it ROI or commission? And then it will tell you the amount in that specific wallet, whether it's ROI or commission. And then you put the amount and then you put BTC address and then you click withdraw. Just know BTC withdraw minimum is $20. Therefore, if I was to withdraw this, it will tell me minimum withdraw is $20. Withdrawal request will be made on minimum $20. So it's very, very simple system. Once you hit $20, you can do your either your ROI or your commission withdrawals via Bitcoin, and you'll be charged a fee of 8%. But because the rate is 120 we are using for Bitcoin among our team, there is no loss, because even if you remove $100, you get $92, you still sell it at $120, which is a lot. And if you want to do the member to member, I've said the minimum withdrawal is $5. Member to member, we send $5 and is only 2% fee. So hope that video is a little bit educative, and we'll be getting more and more videos from the company. And we're also here to help where we can. So please, for those who know how to source their Bitcoins, please go, I prefer you just go to your wallet, you click fund request, and then you can load your Bitcoins in your fund wallet, and then you can be able to help your downlines whenever they have a funding. All you need to do is to put the amount and to put the transaction ID. If you are more conversant, then you don't even need to go to fund request. Then you can just go directly and activate. And once you go directly and activate, then you need to go and scan the Bitcoins, the exact fraction, as long as you consider the transaction fee. So as long as you consider the transaction fee and you know that the Bitcoins you need to receive is minus the transfer fees. So hope that was helpful. Sorry, sometimes I've talked too much, but I hope you guys have understood, and you can watch the video several times. We'll even have steps, we'll have diagrams, we'll have try to make life as easy as possible. So thank you so much for listening. Hope that video adds some more knowledge in how we do funding and how we do withdrawals. Okay. As for registrations, I know most of you know, you just know you scroll down, you have your left link and you have your right link. All you need to do is to share, and people will come in your left and people will come on your right. Hope that is very clear. We'll keep doing short videos here and there to help our team grow. Okay. Hope that is very well understood. See you soon in the next video. Thank you so much. God bless you.